Hi, I'm here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to make these cute little flower buttons. I showed them a while back with the Sew Along block, and I got a lot of people interested in them, and I said that I would do a tutorial, so here we are doing the tutorial. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make your button flowers, you're going to want some floral wire. You're going to want some buttons and some beads. You're going to want to make sure that the hole in your beads is big enough that it will fit through the floral wire. That's about the only real worry you have to. And we're going to take our floral wire, kind of find the middle, and that's where we're going to start our flower. So I think this cute little flower button will look good, and I'm going to set it inside this pink button. So I'm going to take my wire, go this way, and then I'm going to take my flower button, line that on, and I'm going to situate that. I'm going to take this so I can take it back through and situate that in there. And then I'm just going to twist this a little bit to make my stem. And then as I go down my stem, just to add these cute little bobble things that are on the stems, they're just beads, and I'm just gonna every so often stop the twisting, and I'm just gonna string a bead on here. So I'll just string a bead on. And maybe I want to put more than one on. You can decide. You can mix it up. So then after I add my bead, I'm just going to twist some more. Then I'm going to add some more beads. And then twist again. You can add buttons with your beads if you want. So when I add a button, I'm going to go in one side and out the other. I want to add a little bead in here too. But you just can play with how you want to go down the stem with buttons and beads. Just kind of pull it tight and twist all the way down your stem. And then you'll just mix and repeat to make lots of different flower buttons. And then I've put mine in just a salt shaker, and with sand in it, just to hold it. You could use some other device, but it's just easy to stick the floral wire in the hole for the salt and slide it on down in. And that's how you make the flower buttons. Have fun. Thanks for watching my video. We'll see you next time. Bye.